What are you doing? Who are you speaking to? Who are you speaking to?
Him?
What is that? Amy, is that a bug?
Yes.
That is gross.
She is.
That is gross.
You want you want?
Yes. That is disgusting. You have Barbies and all the girly toys there, and you decide to play with a bug. Very gross. Where's your little kit?